30 seconds on the clock. Ready?
Okay.
Ready. Let's go.
I love it just because it's pink and it looks so colorful and fun.
It is totally right. I love it. Girl power here.
I like the shimmery one. This one is my favorite.
Yeah. It's already got the bows. It's basically wrapped.
You can feel free to just leave one of those here, too.
This is really fun. Like, it closes, pops up.
See, the kids would love this.
Yeah. This is weight on hand and foot. Box of delight. Total gloss. Next up is our Soaper Heroes. And then we go on to Pouty Girl. Pick and Spritz. Get a smooth on. This is their lid stuff. Pink Big. This is called Glow Maintenance. And it's called Extravaganza. So much butter. And then the flatter box. And then we've got our Wash Upon a Star. That is super cute.
Welcome, Los Angeles style expert Alison Deyette.
Hey, Alison.
Hey!
What do we have today?
Oh my gosh, we have so many glorious gift sets from Soap & Glory.
Okay, we're wrapping the little candy-looking one because that's what we do. Okay, I'm not good at.
The brand itself is just feisty, fun, and fabulous, and they've really kind of talked to embracing not only your inner shine, but your outer shine.
We've got Rachel here, and we're gonna let her put on Plums Up.
Is it pumping up? Oh, we pumped that up.
And I didn't realize they had such a great makeup line.
Oh my gosh, I am hooked on their makeup line. I am right now wearing their Super Cat eyeliner. Is when you arrive, there's like, oh, Carol, you smell so wonderful.
You know, people say it to me all the time.
This is so good.
Like, I got this.
Merry Christmas.